Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay from Jay So Tastic. So what? I don't know, but we're doing a lot of upcycling over here. So today I am previewing a little bit more of my sewing room, what I've been doing and what I'm going to be doing. So as you can see, I have fabric in place, y'all. So yeah, I'm getting it in. It's taking me a task to get it in, but I'm doing it. And I am all the way down there almost. And I haven't put any on the other side. This is the top of the table. Been working, trying to get things up and going. I'm gonna work on this today. So this is the part that I'm gonna be recording. So I'll see y'all in the next part of this video. So here we are, and this is what I was doing with this wallpaper. I think I gave a little hint in this video or the last video. It may have been on my other channel, so don't be mad at me if I didn't let y'all know what was going on. But I bought up my 2 tables that I'm gonna use as my sewing table, and I put the drawers like on the inside so that I can just pull stuff from there, and then if I need storage there, or storage even here, then I will have it. Put my cord here so that I could get some, be able to plug up my sewing machines there and have room to have my foot pedals there. So I'm gonna figure out how that's gonna work because I have 3 of them that I have to have hooked up. So let's get to it, y'all, because I'm about to do this paper on this table. So let me bring y'all down so y'all can see what's going on. Okay, so if you hear some background talking, it's my grandchildren. They're hanging out with me today. They've been hanging out with me all week. So what I'm gonna do is I might just play some music or do a voiceover and explain what I'm doing. So just so you guys don't hear all the extra things going on. Okay. So as y'all can see, all my presser foots fit up under there. There's the outlet with all of them plugged up in there. And when I move them forward, now this is not going to be my chair, but I'm just using it for now. It is the perfect height though, so you know I may sew with it. But here we go. So if I move this forward, that's going to be my challenge. If I move it forward, will I still have enough room for my presser foot? And as you can see, that's how much room I got on my table. And I want to make sure I got enough room, and it looks like I do. So yeah, there we go. So everything is at reach. And yeah, so we got my sewing machines up, y'all. So now I'm going to clean them off. I know y'all don't want to see that part. Let me turn them all off. A little bit of adjustment because I don't want my sewing machines to tip over. So here they are, and they're set up for use. And let's get over to the next project that I'm going to be working on real soon. And this is the reason why I'm trying to get it all set up. So my table looks a hot mess right now because I'm still, you know, packing things or whatever, or getting things set up. And haven't put up any pictures yet or any of my threads. I'm still going to use these for now. Put my pictures back up. So what I want you guys to understand is that I am not in a hurry to decorate my space. So it's going to be kind of like, you know, go as we move around, you know. So now my closet is pretty much empty outside of this much fabric that I need to open up and put in the bins. There's a bunch of fabric in here. Okay, and so my closet is empty, and now I can bring up one of my stands, leave it in. I know I'm not gonna need it because I got something else going on, but I do have the ability to have shelving already. All I gotta do is go to the hardware store, probably get the pins, and then get the shelves. And I do have a couple of shelves downstairs that I could use already, so that'll be another project. But the project that your girl is going to be working on real soon is right here. Okay, so I think I may have or I may haven't, but I'm mentioning it now. I planned on let me turn myself around here. Here I am, y'all. Whew. Yeah, okay. So the thing is, your girl is planning a trip in November to go hang out with my stepping family, because y'all know I like to step. So I need some outfits, and I want to do some DIY outfits, okay? Some upcycle outfits. So I do have a pair of jeans here, jean shorts, that I am going to fray. And I'm going to show that to you guys, okay? And then I have this top that I bought. Let me go out so y'all can probably see. Hold on. Bring y'all. Okay, y'all can't really see the top. Let me readjust y'all. I'll be right back. Okay? Hold on. Okay, so this is the outfit I want to wear with the shorts. And if you can see here, it has a really big opening here, okay? So I'm gonna put the blue jean shorts up under there and wear them with, this is the whole thing. It's really, really long. I got it from Grand Divas of Diva, and I haven't worn it yet. The reason being because it's been hot and it's got long sleeves. See these? But I'm gonna cut the sleeves off because I don't really care for the long sleeves, and I don't really care for this geometrical one-sided collar. I don't know. I think I might cut it off. Well, excuse me. think I might cut it off just so it looks like that and there's no extra. I don't need nothing else around me making me sweat. So I'm going to cut the sleeves off, and then I'm going to braid these jean shorts and put them under there. I'm going to wear them with some black stockings and some ankle-high boots, okay? It's going to be cute, and I'm going to let y'all see the final upcycle. All right, so I just wanted to share that with you guys today. Thank you for coming and clicking on that button and helping your girl out. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up. And I also want to say, in the next video, I'll probably be putting up some pictures and you know, like my thread and all that kind of stuff. Like I said, as I go, I'll show you guys, but don't expect anything elaborate right now because I don't know what I want to do with the walls and stuff, but I do want to bring in my aesthetics, okay? And my grandson is in the background. Say hi, JoJo.
Hey.
All right, don't forget to go over to TM Experiment. TM Experiment. If you got grandkids or kids that might want to see what other kids do, you want to what's it called? What's it called?
What?
TM Experiment.
Yeah, but you gotta search up the exact video because they got multiple of them.
Say it to the people clearly. Say if you want to.
No.
You don't want to say it? You just said it. Okay. Anyway, y'all.
No.
So yeah, they have a YouTube channel for kids. But anyway, TM Experiment. Is it experiment or experience?
Experiment.
TM Experiment on YouTube. So, gotta get it right, okay? And so, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut these sleeves. So I'm going to show you guys that process. And like I said, before I got interrupted, thank y'all for coming over here. Thank y'all for hanging out. Thank y'all for being patient with me, because y'all know I've been doing a lot over here, y'all. Been doing a lot. I'm trying to get it done, but it is just me, okay? So it takes some time, and your girl be tired because she babysitting, she working, and things going on, and things is going out. So with that said, I'm going to get off this channel. Don't forget to thumbs up the video at the end. Let me know what y'all think about my table, my sewing machine table. Let me know what y'all think about it. Right now, y'all up on one of the stands, but let me know what y'all think about the table. And we're going to see how that works out and everything. I like it. Yeah, so, yeah, with that said, we're going to say goodbye. And I will see y'all in the next video, which will be me upcycling this outfit. So make sure your notification bells are on. And subscribe. If you watch this whole video, what you waiting for? Because you got to be interested to see what your girl is doing, and I appreciate that. So, subscribe, y'all. Subscribe. Come on into the fam, the J So-tastic fam. Okay. So what? I don't know, but we're doing a lot of upcycling over here. Take care, and I'll see y'all in the next upcycle video. Yay! We upcycling. Oh, finally. Oh.